Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit doing a real short video today. We're showcasing our new product. We have a CPN with a starter trade line. I mean, you're talking about 2 to 3 months old, giving you even a pretty decent score, working out pretty good. One trade line here. Let's see here. And this can go on as little as 10 to 12 days. All super fast. We have a new arrangement with these bureaus to get it on real fast. Let me show you here. One second. Again, all of our CPNs are tri-merged safe scan numbers, unique only to the person that orders them. Every number goes through a process of screening to make sure they have not been applied or assigned to a dead person or young child. They're brand new numbers. Here we go. Authorized user. Now check this out. This is a credit capital 1 300 limit, 2 months old. So it's a starter trade line. This program is working very well. This program is particularly good for apartment renters and those that want to rent houses. Can't get any large credit cards with this. Again, it's a starter trade line, great for apartment renters and house renters. Again, as you get this particular CPN number with this starter trade line. This whole package now is $395 this month. Again, $395. You get the CPN number, the safe scan number, and you get the trade line for $395 in little as 10 to 12 days. Some more information, feel free to call us. Again, my name's Karen, 202-213-2218. Let me show you something here to show you how fast this thing, sometimes we can do it in 10 days. Let me see here. Sorry, wrong one because the inquiry came upon TransUnion. With TransUnion, here's inquiry. Inquiry came on here April 19th, and today is, as of today, is April 26th. So this actually was done in about 7 days. So we can do it faster. We like to say 10 to 12 days. I wonder if I can do this just to show you that today's date, because it might be today's date. Google, there you go, 26. So this just shows you. So again, let's go back here. Inquiry is the 19th. Looking at about 7 days. So again, this new program is brand spanking new. We can do the CPN and the trade line in a little of 7 days. We like to say give us 10 to 12 days. It's only $395. Again, it's great for a starter boost program for renters. Or if you want to start building credit, you can do it too. Again, it's a small trade line. You can't get, start the world on fire with this trade line, but it does give you a start and a foundation on your profile. Now I'm giving you brief content. I like to give some content for our checkout. I did this video about a year ago on PayPal credit. PayPal credit is very CPN friendly. You might want to try this when you get a trade line with the CPN. Apply for PayPal credit up to sometimes $1,000, $2,000. You can only use it on PayPal, but again, it's a credit through CPN and it can be used. So look into it. Get that CPN. Let it sit if you want to for about a month, then try for the PayPal credit, get a trade line. It works very well. That's it for today. I told you it'd be a short video. Please take advantage of our program, this new CPN program with its starter, baby type of trade line. Like our videos, subscribe to our videos. Also, we have a trade line list coming up weekly now at tradelines.biz, tradelines with an S.biz, or I'll put a link below here on the video for more information. And I'll put our website link as well. Thank you. Have a great day.